This video has been prepared for Year 11 students and their parents to assist with this assessment task. The rules regarding school-based assessment for the HSC changed for Year 11 2018 and Year 12 2019. It is now a NESA requirement that one task in Year 11 must be an investigation style assignment rather than a traditional pen and paper test. This is such a task. This booklet and this presentation will hopefully explain what you need to know about the task, but if you require more information, get in touch with your mathematics teacher. Students are not expected to do this task without the support of their teachers. They will have some class time to work on it, and they will have the opportunity to show a draft version to their teacher more than 1 week before the due date. They will then receive some feed forward. This task counts towards their school-based assessment mark, so we are asking parents not to do the assignment for the child or to employ somebody else to assist. When students submit the task for marking, we will be asking them to sign a statement that all the work was completed without the direct assistance of anyone besides their maths teacher. This assignment is a statistical investigation. Statistics is one of the topics in the syllabus, so this assignment will also help students prepare for their examinations later this year. Here are the syllabus outcomes which are being assessed. Some of these are almost impossible to assess in a pen and paper examination. This is your chance to demonstrate to us that you can do these things. Note the weighting of the task. Your teacher will be monitoring your progress through the task, and at various stages will be asking to see what progress you have made. Here are the checkpoints along the way. This task is a statistical investigation. One day recently I saw this on the internet. Writing something out is the memory equivalent of reading it 7 times. In this task, we're all going to investigate the validity of that statement and discuss the results we achieve by turning this into an experiment. We're going to do this by asking people to try and memorize a list of 20 words and then write them out again. You are going to need to find 3 willing volunteers. As you can see, there are a couple of rules about who they can be. There is also a video which shows you exactly how we would like you to collect this data. This is because it is crucial that every student use the same data collection method. The data you collect is going to be pooled with the data that other students collect. You will then be given a large data set. You will need to analyse that large data set and compare your 3 people with all the people who did the experiment. When you have done that, you will need to create some PowerPoint slides that explain your findings. You will then need to make a script and then make a video, maximum length 5 minutes. Your video is the piece of work that your teachers will be marking. This page shows you how to submit your work. Once your video is completed, it will need to be uploaded to a school YouTube account using the student login details as shown. You will then need to copy the video link and submit it to the class notebook that has been set up for this reason. You will be shown how to do this in class. Appendix 1 is a list of the statistical tools that you might employ. Appendix 2 contains some useful sentences that you might be able to adapt for this purpose. When you collect your data from your 3 willing volunteers, you will write it on sheet A and hand that to your teacher. You will need to make 3 copies of sheets B and C to use when you do the experiment with your 3 willing volunteers. This is the marking rubric. Please read it carefully so that you know exactly what we will be looking for when we mark your work. We hope you enjoyed this task, and we look forward to seeing what you can create. Enjoy!